The Crew Builder function lets you assign crew members to any appliance that has been registered in your group. Adding appliances is a very similar process to adding new members. You can find a link to these instructions in the knowledge base in the video description. The last requirement before you can start using the Crew Builder is to make sure the toggle is enabled within your user permissions. Tap on a broadcast to view the attendance screen. Then tap on the abacus icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Activate Crew Builder. You'll notice circles appear next to each member in your group. Tap on the circle for each member you want to add to an appliance and you'll see a tick appear. Then tap on one of your appliances and the ticked members will move underneath the selected appliance. Once assigned to an appliance, you can tap the member to assign them as driver, crew leader, or both.